The Cardiovascular Institute of the South does a really good job at treating the patients and stepping in when they do have a heart event.
We evaluate the patients, we put them on an exercise program, and we case manage those same patients for the entirety of the program so that you can really get to know them and make really specific goals and help them accomplish those goals.
This program will also help you learn self-care techniques that help you succeed long after rehab is over.
We pride ourselves on being more than coaches or more than clinical staff for the patients. We really want to get down to why they came to us and what they need from us and just provide that better quality of life for them.
This intensive cardiac rehab program is the ideal solution to help you lose weight, feel better, and become less dependent on medications.
At CIS, we're very confident that our cardiac rehab program will empower patients to improve their health.